They don't see some die body so for person wey get that kind of 50 years now for some place where they build house for a Bolova side. So for Tori for this afternoon we go talk palava water wey e no dey for Manjo. Even as when a Manjo people them na place where water they did look out water before they send them for other people them. Manjo e dey for inside water but e soap e dey enter for a eye. So for Tori for this afternoon we go talk a chapter for waiting. Chief them for that side, so for East region they cry plenty. For Sika say since Nkunkuma sign book say make they give them small dough for month end. So now chief them for that side, so for a Bolova or for Betra side, they never start the touch that money when Nkunkuma. If you don't talk, say make they give them for first class chief them for inside the country. All that to read and so plus the newspaper to read, we go join and give them for now for this afternoon. Big part talk is everything. He say I know the carry load, but he sabi the kind load we hate the carry. Say I know the carry load, but he sabi waiting we hate if it carry like a load at the turn back slaughter. We want to say good afternoon again, country people. Them with the glad plenty say we don't meet up una for this side. So for Equinox at Tori House, chapter 2 for Tori for this side. We go begin Tori now for that side. So for Ebolova, country people them. Now for the way they so trouble it happen for inside some place where they build house. They talk in a place where they get for make Ebolova one council house. But now for the way they go meet up die body, make we enter for that side so we talk this chapter, yes. Now for inside the building where they go meet up some power or some man, yeah. We get that kind of 50 years man, where they call it say minte. Now for the way they see meet up with die body, if it already die since. According to people them for that side, so for the Bolova place, they try for talk for we say this man, he then a man where he did do na wash night, wash man work, but for 4 days they never see the man. Only for them for go for the place where they build a house for Ebolova one council. Now for them they go meet up die body where he don't already start rotting for that side. Now for Sika the smell for die body where people them for that side so they come out for cancer. And so that man he get 50 years and the name they say name na minty name. Now so it take pass as so it take happen. No man never sabi waiting a cause that die investigate it don't start for happen for that side. We go talk palava for Nganan. Sabi say this countryman no day for inside Cameroon again. Yes, no day for inside Cameroon as so the talk. Yesterday night when they put it for inside motor like some smotive man. Yes, they push him for inside motor. Push it for inside motor, put it for inside motor, carry and go for airport. One time they carry and come out for outside country. But Sabi say as when Ghana be they come out for inside country. Now so to they take a identity like Cameroon countryman, they live in only with one identity. Now me say he no go fit for turn back for inside country anyhow. People here they no sabi patterns in Ghana. Na man way he don't write plenty book them and a big teacher for outside country. He did teach for outside country. Sabi say they be putty all this software will be the software. Now for Sika say waiting, he be write for a Facebook page say waiting. He go show Popo Pepe and as so he just promise one that say he go show Popo Pepe. Now so to the picky the tiffin at Tifam where he be one travel come up for outside country carry and go for Ngata for that side so for Kondenge. But Sabi say Ngomna Togman he say na for Sika say Popo a good heart na good heart for Popo where he make the left Ngana. So just now they don't take identity like Cameroon man but identity like person where he dey for outside country. He see there with he and they go levy for airport. A plane he carry one time. He come out and for outside country. So now so parties in Ghana own case he don't close for inside the country. We take una go for Mungo division for place where they call them say Manjo. For Manjo side, if we see and find now for Manjo, where water where other people then for corner they drink it they come out. But people they say for Manjo they no get water for drink. Yes. Now it means say na the kind of people the way they go for inside water but soap it they enter for their eye. Inside Manjo water no dey for drink at all. But now for Manjo where they look out water, where they send for place and that loom send am for other small place they dey for corner. Manjo say wey place where they look at the water before they send am for outside. Manjo e dey cry say water no dey. Water no dey. People they suffer water for Manjo. Serious suffer wey people they suffer water for Manjo. Even cow they say they no get their own for drink. People they only manage water now for inside river. This small water they work for inside town. Now for people they manage water, but now for Manjo where they look at water where other people they drink water they go very far away. So people they say for Manjo they don't be confused. They say how they go manage to get water. So then they look at and they give for people the way they far away place. Then they say where they dey for inside Manjo town. Water e no dey for them for drink. It don't pass them. It don't pass them. So they beg people that they look at water. Say make the member say that water where they send am for faraway place, e dey na for inside Manjo. And before water get for comot go for outside, Manjo people they must to enjoy. They must to enjoy. So they beg. Na their right. But they so beg. Make we hear people that wait to Manjo people they take talk.
You get them, and so you know funny. Manjo must get water because say na Manjo dey send water for all place, except for Lum. I think for Sute request from Jibombari, na Manjo dey send water, and I don't know for what we no get water for Manjo.
We not get water for any quarter for Manjo. Now Manjo dey send water for all Sute go reach Jibombari. I know, but for Manjo we not get water for all place. There's some mistake where we see.
So water we use am for here. Now any man don't draw water, if you have to use water, we not get public water for here. No get water all place even catch it through catch day they not get we pump when government don't get people to clean drink water inside. Now we say we don't draw water for our house, we pay and we pay the water anytime for the drink am. Manjo they get water no. Now Manjo they get the water for Lum, for Penja, Njombe, so to go to Mbanga self na Manjo they distribute water for them. But Manjo self we not get water for Manjo here.
Yes, now so they take part for country, you they do something, other people that they enjoy, yourself, you know, they take enjoy for inside this chapter. Also, they take sabi, palava water na palava for life. So people then for that side must to try see how they go give people them water for Manjo. As soon as Manjo they cook water. Popo if you don't promise say salary for Igwe them for country, it must to pass. And according to the different level where they dey. But all the chief they want they see them show their face. Now they see the chief they know. As well SGO for Baturi side, where they call it say Abubakar Yawa. If the waka make waka, see, pardon the vex, pardon no the glad. They say Popo order, they never pass on for them. Them they never chop money where Popo talk say they get for the pay and for the Igwe them. Igwe them for that side, chief them for that side for east. They decline now one for the complaint that they tell them for SGO. They say Oga SGO, president we don't talk say money for chief. But since even one kobo, 1 franc, the chief then they never see her. So they ask a question. Whether they say it be just then as some small April fool or they say Popo did not the stick. Say they know if you understand. So they strive for send message, strong Tory, for Minister for Territorial Administration, Emmanuel Rene Sadi. Say then they never touch that money where Popo be promised them. See all the vex. They need the laugh. See face. Papa said they complain. Say since and he be first class chief. Say how money never reach them. Since when they announce all money they deny say he swear they never chop money. Now chief them that. Chief them way automatic. Then we don't get for the chop money. But so today, this chief they never see 1 franc. See how chief they bend down for take photo. See chief them. He says they bend down for take photo. Chief them they know the glad. Chief them for east they know the glad. They say make Emmanuel Rene Sadi when a minister for decentralized. Make it take Popo he talk, he go for back. They vex. They vex. We go remain for inside that side, so for Baturi side, we take una go now so for Kadei. Kadei na some subdivision and na one for the place to the people the way they come up for Central African Republic for Sika Palava War. All then they enter for East region side. Yes. Make we take una go for East. Now for sideway they so this thing it take pass. So for Kadei side, trouble dey. Trouble dey. Refugee people they cry plenty. They say one, they no get land where they go cook for day. Water except no day. Land for work for on top for work then find something where they go chop no day. Water no day. even SDO say wey be the turn for waka. He see and so they say where the people them for bad to reside. For inside is the year bad. Yeah? Now border that way people they come out enter. So refugee people they don't beg Oga SDO say as we don't remember them. Make it try for see whether if it make them get land where they go walk on top and even make water to a day. So other refugee people the day way they don't already enter for inside village. They don't already start to do small work there. So now their own cry that way they give for that people then so for outside there. So call the people there. Now to read then that way we take final for this afternoon for inside Equinox Story House. Make we see where the newspaper they talk this Thursday. We enter for inside Nouvelle Expression. Where it come out today. We enter for inside Newswatch. Yes, make we take Newswatch where it come out today. Newswatch for the Trump number for Newswatch. As one of the readers say. They say as we palava for Northwest and Southwest, it go for before, it Trump they go for before. They say place where war it be don't fair be, it don't start shift now na shift. Now me say it don't come up from Manu, it don't enter from Jian. They tell you away for that side for Toko. Gendarme man, it do it in they attack them. So for inside there, they tell you as we do a house, they burn. Then people them two way they one can attack, they kill them. So for inside Newswatch we come out today, if you read and fine, they ask na question. Whether they invite where they give invite for Commonwealth Secretary General na for ye, na we popo it take and for come meet up, talk with people them for Northwest and Southwest. Big question where they take answer. Mpalava die for inside Presbyterian Church to Oga moderator, PCC moderator to he answer question for inside that palava. And tumfo ni koale wakatu for peace. All that one they so now where they watch Newswatch where he come out where they for outside he take talker. Another story we will enter for insight for this afternoon, country people them, na Nouvelle Expression. Nouvelle Expression will come out for today. Waiting ide for tongue number. Palava for Nganang. How they take commodity from Ngata, then after they drive it like fly, come out and for inside country. Yes, Nouvelle Expression, it talk all the story as way thing they happen. How way they come on Nganang for inside Ngata, then after they drive it like a fly come out for outside country. Then it's also for inside Nouvelle Expression, they talk palava good heart. Where Equinox story people them they don't always do them for the whole house. Sabi say it then a tradition for Equinox people them. Say all time before they want enjoy Christmas, New Year. They go salute people the way they no get their own them for inside abandoned house where they call and say orphanage. So now all the story then that plus other small one them. Where if you enter for inside Nouvelle Expression, you take style so you talk them, you read them, you sabi as we country Ediwaka. So now so we see country this afternoon, country people them now so country the waka but sabi say as we to read the cam. We set up with day now for back Tori to the follow Tori for back now so to Tori to the following. 4 o'clock you get a Tori for English for Emmanuel Macron country talk and Queen Elisa country talk. Now me say now join Tori. For 6 o'clock we go get Tori we now only for Queen Elisa country talk we go do Then for 8 o'clock we get Tori we he go come on for Emmanuel Macron his own side. Now me say now only for French. So Tori he go continue for this side. We want to take style so say big good afternoon for you. Ange Univem, so will be one of the strong combi where you look at Story Time or you look at PG News for this side, so for Equinox Story House. Bon appetit for all married day for table. So for tomorrow.